Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Precious Osage. There's gonna be another unboxing video. I just got this Ninja 2-in-1 blender. I have been planning to get this blender since because I've been craving for mai and akara. Like since I came to this UK, I have not eaten moi or akara, so I did a lot of research for a good blender, and the review I was getting concerning this blender was amazing. I would say it was okay, so that's why I went for this. So I'm just going to open it now and show you guys what is inside. So let's go. I know you people will say she's always unboxing. I love unboxing. I don't just know, and I love sharing with you guys. Now you guys are my family. I love sharing with you guys. Let me be careful. Oh, super excited. I don't want this carton to tear. In case it's not what I wanted, I can return it, so I should be careful. Guys, like, oh god, I'm so happy I got this blender, because the one we bought when we came to the UK, that one was not even good. We got it from Asda. So okay, let me use it to blend the blender spark off. We got another one. That one was too small. That one does not grant really smooth. So I've been like, I need a new blender. I need a new blender. Now I finally got it. So yeah, let me just turn it. Okay. This is it, guys. Let me open it. The Ninja 2-in-1 blender. Wow. It blends smoothie, milkshake, tips, sauce, cocktail and dessert, like anything you want to use it for. Hope it's strong enough to blend me my beans for akara. That's what I want to know. Now that I've delivered, I've been eating a lot of pap because of breast milk, so I want to be eating my pap with akara or moi. So that's it. Okay. Oh, the manual and a recipe book. So this is it. Okay. This is just everything that the blender can blend and what you can use it for. Wow, can you see, guys? So okay, well packaged, well sealed. Oh my god, this looks like a machine. Be like a machine. When I'll just put the beans, I'm not gonna once it go just take one now. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. For it to open, you have to release. There's a button here you have to press for it to open, release. Wow. Wow. Can you see this, guys? Wow. Okay. Wow. Definitely this is going to ground beans, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you do have this kind of blender. If you have this blender, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I think this is also for smoothie and dry stuff. You can use it to grind your crayfish. I think you can also use this to grind your crayfish and pepper, any dry ingredients like that, and it's also for smoothie. Wow, so cool. Whoa. Oh my god, guys, can you see? Guys, I'm so happy I purchased this blender. I'm super excited. I just hope it can grind my beans though. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys when I've soaked my beans and ready to blend it. I'm going to demonstrate it. We'll see. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Wow, this is it. I can't wait to try it. I just can't wait, man. So this is it, guys. This also came with another lid. After grinding your smoothie, just for you to that's good. No need for you to turn it out. Since I have this now, I'm going to be doing a lot of smoothie and also trying to wash my weight. All this belly fat after giving birth has to vanish. It has to. Wow, it has to go through this and do a lot of video concerning this. So but for now, let me show you guys if you can grind the beans. Let's go.